Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo no dey slack for the check waka on top the work wey dem dey do for the state even during the Christmas time, and this dey show how im serious for the development of Edo State. E no just wait make things happen, im dey act fast, especially when e come to the traffic wahala for holiday season. And im sabi say better roads go make life easier for people, as im yarn say im focus na to make sure say things dey work and make Edo people live better life. Say im dey serious about making the state better and rich. Now this be the case as the governor and im entourage carry one check waka reach Obadan Junction along the Benin-Auchi road on Monday to see how far the work dey go. Governor Gov Okpebholo for im talk on and say,
they are doing a good job. Things are moving very fast. I never expected it to move this fast. Things are moving well and I'm happy. I just, today is Monday and tomorrow almost holiday, so I just have to come and see whether they're actually working, because I don't sleep over this. Every time I'm thinking about this road, and this job must be done.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Benin City, Kata Ojisali, TMC TV News.